equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth. First, power off your Asus TP470E and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Carefully use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, you'll see the battery. Disconnect the battery connector gently. Remove the screws securing the battery and lift it out. Before installing the new battery, clean the internal area with a cloth to remove any dust. Place the new battery in position and secure it with screws. Reconnect the battery connector. Now, replace the back panel and screw it back in place. Power on your laptop to ensure it works correctly. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to know your options. Enjoy your refreshed Asus TP470E. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.